What's up, fellas? So it's Sunday morning. I'm here at work. I'm working on the torquer, and this is the lower for the LTD. Working on it a little bit too, in between, working on one for a while, then working the other one. So this one's getting a bath. This is our parts washer that we use. As you can see, you can fit a couple humans in there. It's made by those guys. It's got the tank down here. It's got just like regular, I forget what it's called, earth soap, of course, eco-friendly. 190 degree water temperature, got air compressor hooked to it, so it's got 120 psi water, pushing out water out those jets there, and down on the bottom that swings out, I guess, when the turntable turns. But yeah, so this is getting a bath, and you see in a second it's pretty loud because it's industrial. So it'll sit in here for 4 minutes. Set that to 4. Here we go. The air's just turning now, or the air's turning. There's just a spray inside there with the water pressure. It'll turn on in a second. You'll notice when the air pressure hits. There you go. Let that go for 4 minutes, then I'll pull it out. All right, I had to turn it off because a couple of the straps come off, which they will do if it's because there's just not enough tension on a little part like this. But this is what it looks like. There you go. And yes, it is hot. So it does this intake I got on Corral. It was ported a little bit, but I decided to touch it up a little bit to get it to fit, or not fit, but match the ports on the 195s that are on the LTD now. That's how it turns out. This table spins, obviously, while it's in there spraying. But like I said, it works pretty good. And I have thrown a complete short block. The short block that's in Super Trooper was cleaned in here, and I think the one that Rodney's got in Baby Pro Stock got cleaned up in here. Got cleaned up in here at 1.2. But I just saw a pigeon. I don't know where he's at, but he'll be in here until tomorrow when they open the doors up. So anyway, that's that. Later, fellas. So just going back inside, and I saw him. If you can see him sitting up there on the above the heater by that big window. Try to zoom in without. Right there. So he'll be in here tomorrow morning when I get here. All right, appreciate y'all. Later.